Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Kingdom Animalia MCQ. First, the name animal is derived from the word option A anima, option B anemia, option C a name, option D all of these. Correct option is option A anima. Aurelia is starfish, jellyfish, silverfish, none. Aurelia jellyfish है. Aschelminthes is also known as protozoans, eumetazoa, nematodes, protostid, ancestor. Correct option is option C, nematodes. Of the following, which one is not included in proterosomes? Arthropods, hemichordate, annelids, mollusks. Correct option is option B, hemichordate. All of the following are coelomate except deuterostome, proterosomes, hemichordate, aschelminthes. Option D is correct. The radial symmetry is found in the animal of Protozoa, Porifera, Nidaria, all of these. Correct option is option C. All the animals of the grade Radiata are diploblastic, triploblastic, both diploblastic and triploblastic, unicellular. Correct option is option A, diploblastic. Both radial and bilateral symmetry is found in the phylum Protozoa, Porifera, Echinodermata, none of these. Option C is correct. Echinodermata. Coelom that develops from the archenteron as outpouching is pseudocoelom, anterocoelom, schizocoelom, none of these. Correct option is option B, anterocoelom. The animals in which coelom is formed due to splitting of mesoderm are known as pseudocoelus, schizocoelus, anterocoelus, amphicoelus. Correct option is option B, schizocoelus. Of the following, which one is not found in series of Proterostomia? Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata. Option D is correct. Echinodermata. In some cases, the blastomere can produce complete embryo. The cleavage will be correct option is option D, radial and indeterminate. Option B is correct. The fate of each blastomere is foretold. The cleavage will be spiral and determinate. Option D is correct. Of the following, which one is non-cellular in most animals? Mesenchyme, sclerenchyma, chlorenchyma, mesoderm. Correct option is option A, mesenchyme. In most diploblasts, after embryonic development, the three layers are represented as separate layers of cell, structures formed from them, structures associated with them, their functions in body. Correct option is option B, structures formed from them. Of the following, which one is not the characteristic of triploblast? All of them have blood vascular system. They may be coelomate, pseudocoelomate, or acoelomate. They are included in great bilateria. All of them have digestive system. Option A is not included in characteristic of triploblastic. So option A is correct. The system well developed in acoelomate. All of these. Pseudocoelomate develops from blastopore, blastoquinone, blastocele, splitting of mesoderm. Option C is correct. Blastocele. The function of coelom is to provide the space for the development of organs and system. Option C is correct. Coelom is lined by parietal mesoderm, visceral mesoderm, mesoderm, both A and B. Option D is correct. Both A and B. In acoelomate, gut is in origin. Ectodermal, endodermal, mesodermal, none of these. Option B is correct. Sperms are dash in origin. Ectodermal, mesodermal, endodermal, none of these. Mesodermal in origin. A sponge of Antarctica is more than a meter tall is option A Scolimastra jobini, option B Euplectella, Spongilla, Leucoselenia. Option A is correct. Venus flower basket is also known as cycone, Euplectella, Leucoselenia sponges. Option B is correct. Inner layers of sponges are made up of option A pinacocyte, coanoderm, coanocyte, pinacoderm. Option C is correct. Porifera range in size from few millimeter wide to more than 1 meter tall. Option A is correct. The internal buds are known as spicules, choanocytes, gamules, none of these. Option C is correct. Gamules are internal buds that are involved in asexual reproduction. The sponges in which sperm develop first are included in the category of protandrous. 80% of the food of sponge consists of detrital organic particles. Option A is correct. The skeleton of sponges in the form of variously shaped needle-like structures called stipules, spicules, braids, spines. Option B is correct. Spicules. The skeleton of sponges is made up of calcium, silica, both of these, none of these. Skeleton of sponge is made up of both calcium and silica, so option C is correct. Sperms released in water are carried to mesenchyme in sponges by amoeboid cell. Option A is correct. Gut in pseudocoelomate is made from ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, all of these. Option C is correct. In sponges, fertilization take place in option B, mesenchyme. Sponges fertilization take place in mesenchyme. The single main opening of sponge cavity is osculum. Anteron in coelenterate act as digestive cavity, body cavity, transporting cavity, all of these. Option D, all of these is correct. Which of the following are motile zooids in cnidarians? Option A, polyps. Option B, medusa. Option C, both of these. Option D, none of these. Option B is correct, medusa. Exoskeleton of coelenterate is made up of calcium, silica, chitin, both A and B. Option A is correct, calcium. All of the following coelentrates show alternation of generation except Hydra, Obelia, Aurelia, none of these. Option A is correct, Hydra. All of the following are true for platyhelminthes except flatworms, triploblastics, coelomate, bilateral symmetry. Correct option is coelomate. Platyhelminthes are acoelomate, mean without any cavity. So coelom is incorrect. Excretory system of platyhelminthes consists of flame cells. Free living example of platyhelminthes is Dugesia, Fasciola, Taenia. D. None of these. Option A is correct. Dugesia, which is commonly called as planaria. Others, Fasciola and Taenia, are parasite. Pseudocoelom is character of coelenterate, platyhelminthes, eschelminthes, annelids. Option C is correct. Eschelminthes. Nervous system of nematode consists of ventral nerve cord, dorsal nerve cord, lateral nerve cord, all of these. Option D is correct. All of these. Which system is present in nematodes? Sac-like digestive system, tube-like digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, tube-like digestive system. Pinworm is common name used for rhabdites, Enterobius vermicularis, and cyclostoma. Taenia solium. Option B is correct. Enterobius vermicularis. Which of the following is segmentally arranged in annelids? Segmentally arranged in annelids: excretory system, digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system. Circulatory system. Marine example of annelid is Nereis, Stylaria, earthworm, leech. Option A is correct. Dash are the first group of invertebrates which have developed a closed circulatory system. Nematode, annelid, arthropod, molluscan. Annelids is correct option. The organs of locomotion in annelids are muscles, hydrostatic skeleton, parapodia, seta. Seta are correct option. Polychaeta have tentacles, palps, eyes, all of these. Option D is correct, all of these. Dash are believed to have common origin with annelids. Nematodes, arthropods, mollusks, none of these. Option B is correct. Arthropods are related relatives of annelid. Aquatic arthropod respires through spiracles, gills, book lungs, both B and C. Option D, both B and C. Main blood cells of arthropods usually lies on dorsal side, lies on ventral side, lies on lateral side. Not present. Option A is correct. True metamorphosis is not present in crustacea, insecta, myriapoda, arachnida. Option C is correct. Arachnida. Second largest phylum of invertebrate is Porifera, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Chordata. Option C, Mollusca. Largest phylum of invertebrate is Arthropoda. Second largest phylum of invertebrate is Mollusca. Mantle in mollusk is present over head, ventral, muscular foot, dorsal, visceral region, all of these. Option A is correct. Circulatory system is open type in all of the following except arthropoda, gastropoda, palicopoda, cephalopoda. Option D is correct. Cephalopoda. Body is globular in cake urchin, sea cucumber, brittle star. Option B is correct. Sea urchins have round or globular shape. Prechordate is another name used for echinoderms, hemichordate, vertebrates, chordates. Option B, hemichordate. Notochord is present throughout life in urochordate, chordate, vertebrates, cephalochordate. Option B is correct. Cephalochordate. Body is eel-like in cyclostomata. Which of the following fishes contain lungs? Lamprey, perch, plaice, dipnoi. Option D is correct. Dipnoi. Shell of egg is leathery in appearance in amphibians, reptiles, birds, prototherians. Option B is correct. Reptiles. Mammals become dominant in Proterozoic, Mesozoic, Paleozoic, Cenozoic. Option D is correct. Cenozoic era. That's it.